Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. Sir, in the last videos, as a part of this Python interview questions, we covered up to 6 questions. The next question what we have here is, what is mean by exponential notation? Okay, exponential notation of floating point values. Generally in Python, how we are going to represent floating point values means there are two ways are there. One is nothing but general representation, and the second one is scientific notation, or it is also called as exponential representation. We can represent these values by using exponential. If you take for this exponential, we are using either small e or capital E, and its value is 10, numerical value 10. To understand this, I am going to take one simple example. Let us see how we are going to represent. Let us go with a new Python program. In this Python program, I am going to save this file as, okay, so test.py. I am saving this one as test.py. And I'm declaring three variables. First variable is 1.2, and the second variable is 1.3 e to the power 3, and the third variable is 1.4 small e to the power 4. Then next variable is 1.5 e to the power minus 3. If you print the value of a, what output we are going to get? Just we declared only 1.2, right? It is nothing but the normal representation. Generally, how we are representing these floating point values, in that style we have used, the output will become 1.2. If you print b value, what output we are going to get? 1.3. First let me execute up to this. Is that value of a is coming or not? You can see the output is 1.2. Now I want to print the value of b. 1.3 into e to the power. Just now I told e value is a 10. 10 cube means it will become 1000. What output we are going to get? 1300.0 we will get. Let me cross check. 1300.0. So even if you take a print of a C, 1.4 into e to the power 4, that means 10,000 we are going to get, which is nothing but 14,000.0 we will get. As you know that the same previous formula, we can use any case, either small e or capital E, no issue at all. For that, just I have taken the example. If you want, you can print the value of d also. If you print the value of d, 1.5, do you know when we are taking e to the power minus 3, it is always to the rise minus 3, right? So instead of multiplying, it will divide with 1000. The output what we are getting is 0.0015. Okay, because points will be moved from left to right. Let me run and cross check the final output 0.0015, like that we have. This is the way how we can represent floating point values by using general representation, and how we are using this floating point value by using exponential. Any form we can use, no issues at all. Okay, I think you understood this one very clearly. Thank you, friends.